Hey everyone, today I'm gonna make cards for my friends during quarantine because as you know we all have to stay at home as much as possible, and please also do so because it really does save lives. So I really wanted to cheer them up and bring them a little card. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how I do that in this video. I don't really know what I'm gonna make yet, but I have these cards, just blank ones, and I have this box filled with all kinds of stuff, and yeah, I just have washi tapes, I have different kinds of paper, pens, and like a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff in here, but I'm gonna use this to yeah, make the cards. Okay, so as you can see, I took a lot of stuff out of the box. I have like a magazine here, I have my like pot with stickers and other small things, and I have all sorts of papers here. I'm now gonna sort them and see what I want to make for each person. I started by taking a look in this magazine and I quickly found some interesting pages that I would like to use, so I put them aside. Once I got everything, I started to make compositions, and I might add in some tape or some stickers, or maybe just change the whole design. For me, it's just time to see what I like and try with different compositions. And you might like it, you might not like it. It's just about finding your own style while doing this. So as you may be able to see, I have my first card here. You just saw the process, how I like arranged it. I'm now gonna put it all on the card using glue. Okay, one thing I always do is just take a picture from the card, just so that I know how it has to be, how it looks. Now I got this one, as you can see, and I just keep it next to the thing that I want to make. I also made this other design, and I made it the same way as I did the one before. So this is just a speed up of what I came up with. I decided to add these stickers, and they're from Procrastinator Co. shop. I'll put the link down in the description because she makes amazing stickers and I absolutely love them. So if you want to get these stickers, or if you want to get any other stickers from her, then go check out her Instagram or her website. I will link it down below. For this card, I dried some flowers, and I did this a while ago, so I can't really show you how I did this because they were already dried down when I started filming this video. But the way that I did this, I got the exact same magazine as I was showing you earlier on in this video, and I just took the flowers, put them inside the magazine, put some heavy books on top of that, and if you wait like 1 to 2 days, you'll end up with this. Okay, so gluing these down is kind of hard, but I have 2 different methods for you. The first one is to put the glue onto your flower and just put it onto the page. I'll use my scissors to do so. I came up with the other technique while filming, and it works way better, so I would advise you to do this one. But I just put a little bit of glue onto my card and then put the flower on first. And once that's on there, I try to glue down the stem of the flower by putting glue on top of it. I'm done right now, and I showed you how to make 3 of the 4 cards. The other 2 aren't that special, they're quite simple, but just for the length of this video I did not include them. If you like this video and you want more like this, then you can always hit subscribe or leave a like or a comment. I always try to respond to each comment that I get. And yeah, let me know if you want to try it out yourself. I'm really curious what you guys come up with. I'm gonna send these to my friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!